So it's only about 28 words, but it just gets it punchier.
Yeah.
That is going to come with practice.
Yep.
You know, when I first started doing this myself, but then more importantly, when I wrote the sales letters for International Living, I went through, I think the one I did for Australia, I did 12 months, 18 months worth of magazines. Right, the initial, yep, I'm going to use that. And some of their stories were 2-page spreads or very, very long, stories about people who've, living international lifestyle. Some could be like 1,800 words, 1,000 words, 1,500 words. And to edit those down to 350 words on average and make sense takes a lot of effort. Right? It's agonizing over every single word. Go, how can I eliminate that bit and still have the same meaning? And it just comes with practice.
Yeah.
I mean, Jamie Walsh took a whole bunch of testimonials for Giles Blackburn. And I taught him how to do them, and then I went through and fixed them all up. Because it's not something you get right away. Actually, let me see if while we're here, let me see if I can find one that I've done, which will give you a bit of an idea.